Hello student, welcome to my channel. Today we solve problem on center of gravity under engineering mechanics. Problem number 4. Find the centroid of Z section as shown in figure. This is the Z section. Okay, this is Z section. We draw the section first as per dimension. Okay, first we draw OX, horizontal axis OX, X axis, and vertical axis OY. This is Y axis OX. OX is horizontal axis, Y is vertical axis. Okay. Here, if we draw a line parallel to Y axis, this line, this section is not divided into two equal parts. So, this section is not symmetrical about Y axis. Again, if we draw a parallel line parallel to the OX axis, this axis, this figure, this section not divided into two equal parts. So, this section is not symmetrical about X axis, horizontal axis, OX axis. So, Z section is not symmetrical about any axis. Okay. Now, we joined this line. We joined this line. Now, this is a rectangle, 100 millimeter length, 20 millimeter width. This rectangle marked as number 1 rectangle. Okay. Now, this is a rectangle, length is, this is 200 minus 40 means 160. This length is 160 into 20. Okay. This rectangle is marked as number 2. Okay. This is a rectangle, length is 200 and width is 40. This rectangle is marked as number 3 rectangle. Now, solution. As the section is not symmetrical about any axis, we find X bar and Y bar. Okay. Now, A1 is the area of rectangle 1 this is 100, this is 20, 100 into 20 equal to 2000 millimeter square. A2 is the area of rectangle 2. This is 200 minus 40, 200 minus 40 into 20 equal to 3200 millimeter square. A3 is the area of rectangle 3. Okay, this is 200, this is 40, 200 into 40 equal to 8000 millimeter square. Okay, now distance of centroid from OY axis. Now distance of centroid from OY axis, this is OY axis, this is OY axis. Distance of centroid from OY axis, this distance is x1, this distance is x2, this distance is x3. x1 is the distance of centroid of rectangle 1 from OY axis, from Y axis, equal to, this is 100, this is 100, 100 by 2 equal to 100 by 2 equal to 50 millimeter. Okay, x2 is the distance of CG of rectangle 2 from Y axis, this axis, Y axis. This is 100, this is 20, means this is 80. 100 minus 20 plus this is 20, 20 by 2, তাহলে 100 minus 20 plus 20 by 2 equal to 90 millimeter. Okay, x3 is the distance of centroid of rectangle 3 from OY axis, from OY axis. This distance is this distance plus this distance, means this distance equal to 100 minus, this is 20, this is 100 minus 20, this is 100 minus 20 plus this is 200, 200 by 2 equal to 180 millimeter. Now distance of centroid from OX axis, from OX axis, distance of centroid of rectangle 1 from OX axis is y1, y1 equal to 200, this is 200, this is 200 plus this is 200 plus this is 20 by 2, this distance is 20 by 2. So y1 equal to 200 plus 20 by 2 equal to 210 millimeter. Y2 equal to, y1 equal to 210 millimeter, y2 equal to, y2 is the distance of centroid of rectangle 2 from OX axis, this is y2, y2 equal to 40, this is 40, this distance is 160 by 2, y2 equal to 40, this distance is 200 minus 40, this is 200 minus 40 by 2, this distance by 2 equal to 120 millimeter. Y3 is the distance of centroid of rectangle 3 from x axis, from x axis. This distance is y3 equal to, this is 40 by 2 equal to 20 millimeter. Okay. Now we know x bar equal to a1 x1 plus a2 x2 plus a3 x3 by a1 plus a2 plus a3. A1 is the area of rectangle 1, x1 is the distance of CG of rectangle 1 from y axis, this distance. A2 is the area of rectangle 2, x2 is the distance of centroid of rectangle 2 from y axis, this distance. A3 is the area of rectangle 3, x3 is the distance of centroid of rectangle 3 from y axis, this distance. Okay. Now we put the value equal to a1 equal to 2000 into x1 equal to 50 plus a2 equal to 3200 into x2 equal to 90 plus a3 equal to 8000 into x3 equal to 180 millimeter by a1 2000 plus a2 equal to 3200 plus a3 equal to 800 equal to 138.48 millimeter. Again we know y bar equal to a1 y1 plus a2 y2 plus a3 y3 by a1 plus a2 plus a3. A1 is the area of rectangle 1, y1 is the distance of centroid of rectangle 1 from x axis, A3 is the area of rectangle 3, y3 is the distance of centroid of rectangle 3 from x axis, this distance. Okay. Now we put the value a1 equal to 2000, y1 equal to 210 millimeter plus a2 equal to 3200 into y2 equal to 120 millimeter plus a3 equal to 8000 millimeter into y3 equal to 20 millimeter by a1 equal to 200 plus a2 equal to 3200 plus a3 equal to 8000 equal to 73.03 x bar equal to 138.48 millimeter, y bar equal to 73.03 millimeter. If this is the position of centroid object section, this is the x bar, this is the y bar, this is the x bar, this is the y bar. Okay, it is clear, my student? Thank you.